You know that girl routines you watch over internet and YouTube or probably on Pinterest as well. 5 a.m. routine, aesthetic morning routines, productive life, very fancy, very aesthetic. They have like a nice setup, matcha, skincare, and everything looks so materialistic. And you feel like you also want to have the same lifestyle. Well, even I felt the same. And then you also feel that you are doing wrong in life. And yes, I was the same. I used to watch these videos, save them, follow them, and probably, like, for 2 days I'll follow them and then fell back to my own same old routine. I didn't wanted to change myself and probably feel like, okay, I'm not able to like complete or keep up with it. Then I used to feel like, okay, this is not something which I actually want to do or build, or basically, I was just copying someone's else lifestyle, thinking that this is also it and trying to fix it into my routine. And that's where when you feel like guilty, weird, and probably like you feel like, okay, you're not doing enough, and probably falling back to your same old pattern where you are not able to keep up with what you actually want to do and build, because you've seen so much and consumed so much that you feel like, okay, this is it. If someone is waking up at 5 a.m. and doing every productive thing, I used to feel like, okay, this is the same thing which how things usually happen, or this is the roadmap which how usually things go about. But here's what the reality hit me, that I was trying to copy someone else's lifestyle which I can't even keep up with it or probably match up with it, because I don't know that what I'm actually trying to build for myself. And that's where I used to feel in a same old hope, same old pattern where I didn't even know that I was just copying someone else's lifestyle and probably like trying to match up with the aesthetics and probably the materialistic things. And also trying to prove myself that I just want to put my life together. This is it. I want to get started with it and probably I'm going to fix my life. But then I used to fail and fall back in every 2 days, 3 days, because this is something which I can't even promise or probably make it more sustainable. And then you feel like that your life is falling apart because you're not even able to sit with yourself and probably like actually sit down and understand that how you want the things to be, because we are at the surface level. You haven't even created a system for yourself. And if I want to ask you a question, so do you want her lifestyle or her routine which you saw over the internet or the video, or do you just want simply her life? Because there is a complete difference. Let me be real, waking up at 5 a.m. won't make you feel productive. Buying an aesthetic nice diary won't help you get your life sorted. Making your room totally Pinterest aesthetic, or probably like buy things to make your deck setup actually good, or basically living that materialistic life won't get your life sorted. Whom are you showing up for? Is there any second person who is asking you to do it? Or do you have to show someone outside, or do you have to just prove someone that your life is sorted when it is actually not? Now let me be honest to you and be personal more about it. That girl routine doesn't mean that you are copying someone else's lifestyle or a routine and trying to copy it in your and adapt it in your daily lifestyle. It's basically from inside and within, that what is the better version you want to see for yourself. I have also tried those routines and tried to be to match with, okay, this is something which actually works out in the internet. There are people who I admire and probably this is gonna work out for me. But to be honest, when I sit with myself, there are few days when I feel like I don't want to do anything. I have a fixed timeline to wake up and sometimes I just don't show up for it. And probably there are days when I write down task at night and probably the other day I'm not able to complete with it. That's something which happens. Nobody has a perfect fixed routine. It is very, the only thing which someone is way more ahead than you, it's basically you are following back and they are just consistent with it no matter what. Probably they are going to fix it and probably like keep changing with yourself, because usually routines, disciplines happen, and probably like a better lifestyle, it's when you do things consistently and figure out a way for yourself. There's no such thing as a perfect thing or a fixed routine. You are not robot, you are a human, and it's okay to actually adapt to new changes, because you yourself don't know ki tomorrow what important task comes up, what important things happen, or probably how the day goes. So it's have to accept and probably like evolve yourself and accept to the lifestyle and things you want to actually like build a it girl routine for yourself. If I had to show you my diary, which someday I will, I have like a fixed routine and I made it for 30 days, and most of the days it's just crossed because I'm not able to catch up with that. It's like I've just filled in the pages without actually matching it to it, because when my priority shifted, I realized that this is something which is not important and I was just being very unrealistic about it. Let's say like waking up at 5 a.m. and I have like cross ticks on everything, because I couldn't. I'm sleeping late because of my other own priorities, and that's completely fine. But that doesn't mean that I be hard on myself and probably like feel like okay, I want to like just fix it and wake up at 5 a.m. Whom am I proving it for? If things work out for me when I wake up at 6 a.m., that's completely fine. Now let me give you an example of workouts. Like when you feel like okay, if you are someone who does like 1 hour of workout and few days where you're not feeling like it and you've done just 20 minutes, you'll feel like okay, you've not done enough. But to be honest, you've actually showed up for yourself, and that's how I completely accepted it. Like it's not you have to give in your 100% energy everywhere every time. It's okay to like be consistent with your habits and probably like try to build a better version of yourself along the journey or the person you're trying to build yourself. And to be honest, that girl routine is not simply a routine, it is a lifestyle shift, mindset, and a discipline, and probably a complete version of yourself, mind, body, soul, everything which you want to build. So, today I want you to sit after watching this video, sit down with yourself, understand what your priorities is, what your actual routine is if nobody have asked you, or probably if I'm asking you that, hey, how is your routine for the day, what is something which you want to do, what is your main priorities, and see that if it actually match with your lifestyle and how you can make it sustainable. And probably after 30 days or whatever the timeline is, you should be satisfied, because copying someone else's routine and trying to adapt it yourself that this is it is going to take you nowhere. Or let's say you're just going to stay in a fairy tale world and probably like live in with the internet life and trying to coping up with it, which will make you empty from inside, exhausted, and probably not even sustainable. Now, my main motive to make this video was because I've seen so many girls and probably me myself who have followed these routines and probably not able to keep up with it. But today, I want you to actually break down from all these myths and probably trying to fit in the version and actually accept on how things want to work out for you, what is the version you want to build, and probably start getting better at it. So, to anyone who is watching this video, comment below what is the routine you follow and probably something which you have adapted or accepted with these type of internet routines and you yourself. I would love to know your thoughts, and if you like these type of videos, comment below and I'll make more such videos. And before this video ends, I just want you to give yourself a reminder that that girl routine is not something which you want to copy paste of another's lifestyle, but something which you see your future self being adapted to it and actually build a better version of yourself. So, yes.